One local community wants to stop new immigrants from coming into their community by bus.
The Douglas County Board of Commissioners just approved an ordinance which creates fines for drivers caught unloading immigrants in the county. Denver 7's Danielle Kreuter sat in on that meeting and joins us live now.
Danielle, one commissioner says this stems from theories that Denver may eventually send immigrants there into neighboring communities instead.
Yeah, Micah, I asked the city of Denver about that claim. They tell me it is simply not true. Denver city data showing that the number of immigrant arrivals has actually been the lowest it's been in months. Meanwhile, Douglas County acknowledging today that they've never actually received any busloads of immigrants into the county. They say this ordinance, though, is preemptive. It would prohibit any commercial passenger vehicles from dropping off passengers at any unplanned or unscheduled destination. Things like ride shares, RTDs, and taxis are exempt. A company in violation could be fined up to $1,000 per passenger unloaded, and in some cases, the vehicle itself can be seized by the county for being a public nuisance. While the ordinance doesn't mention immigrants, the commissioners themselves have acknowledged this is in response to the increase in immigrants coming into the state. Advocates tell me the ordinance is problematic.
Those plans are questionable. I think we should absolutely look into whether it's even legal or not, right? It's not at all surprising that Douglas County is even considering this. And I do feel like this is a very much a coordinated effort, and I'm wondering if the residents of these counties are actually asking for this.
No residents actually showed up in person or online to share their thoughts at the special public meeting that was scheduled for late this afternoon. During the meeting, commissioners said this all comes down to not having adequate resources to house or serve immigrants. They say it would be the best for the health and welfare of the community and newcomers if immigrants did not come here.
A year ago, the city and county of Denver was very welcoming to all migrants and feeling very capable of being able to care for those migrants and provide to the welfare. Well, I think they're starting to change their mind on that. And so I think it's just a matter of time that they start having a change in policy.
The commissioners decided to pass this ordinance as an emergency ordinance, meaning those changes go into effect immediately. That ordinance passed unanimously. Reporting live in Douglas County, I'm Danielle Kreuter, Denver 7.
Certainly a lot of sides to this issue. Thank you, Danielle. Well, digging deeper, Aurora also approved a resolution in February refusing to support immigrants or people experiencing homelessness who are bused into their city without a prior agreement to cover the financial costs. So let's take a closer look at legal challenges to companies busing immigrants. Earlier this year, New York City announced a lawsuit against more than a dozen companies accused of transporting immigrants at the direction of Texas Governor Greg Abbott. The city's lawsuit is seeking $708 million to cover costs for immigrant resources for nearly 34,000 immigrants that arrived there since spring 2022. Abbott responded, calling the lawsuit a violation of the constitutional right to travel.